Let's take a look at this pecker. Look at this. It's drawn in Los Angeles. It's something. January 8th. Look at this thing. 2023. I'm in somewhere. I'm in Huntington Beach. And these little creepy crawlers are up there. Look at that. You can see them in between. Yeah. This is just a friggin' nightmare. You people that aren't paying attention to you, I can't believe this. Look at this. That's supposed to be a condensation trail? Or is that a Chinese writing? I'm not sure. Look at that. That's DNA strands of some kind, guys. Look at that stuff. Yeah. You keep thinking we're dealing with vehicles that land at the airport. I don't think so. They may go off into some other dimension or whatever, but there's something definitely wrong here. You know? Anyway, I just had to show you this creeper. Oh, look, is there one above him? Look at this. Oh, yeah, this is great. Look at these dirt bags. Yeah, condensation. Sure. Look at this, right alongside him. Okay, I'm going to let it go because I know you guys are sick of looking at this. I get it. But we got to pay attention to what's going on. They're really doing something lately, and I don't know exactly what, but it's 100 times worse than it was. I know that we had rain for like a week. The sky was pure white, but I guarantee this was going on right above that pure white sky. These a-holes. It's a little foggy here to see through, but you can see them up there. Look at that. Water vapor? Yeah, that's it. I don't think so. Look at that eerie filth. He's going to come out of the other side here. Look at this creepy freak. Sure, there's a lot of colors coming out of the end of this. Where the lights on the vehicle were. Boy, oof, okay. Anyway, I'm not sure what time it is. My guess is 4:15 or so. Huntington Beach. You can see all the rest of the sky, what they've left today already. None of this is clouds, of course. Great. Pathetic. It's also pathetic that so many people are allowing this and not paying attention to any of it. All right, I think I'm done here.